Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my video update for your precious metals. Beautiful market. Market is looking very robust. We're going to do quick time frames, monthly, weekly, and daily time frames for the precious metals market. We'll go over gold, silver, and the Dow Jones. Maybe we'll do the US dollar if I can make this under 5 or 6 minutes. Let's see what we can do. Monthly chart here for gold. We're looking at resistance at around this area. We expected resistance. My target was 1550. We've hit that target since then. We've found some resistance, and now it looks like the market is coming back down. Although very healthy, it would be nice to see the market come back down to this level here to the low 1400s. Just a huge move to the upside, and we can see here that what we have is we have a huge break of this 13 3/4 area, 1360, 1365. Big move to the upside, followed by a big close above this area here, which is very positive. You have a continuation pattern right over here, and then you have another big move to the upside. So if I'm looking at this monthly chart here, I'm looking to find some resistance, some support anywhere in this area. I think it'll be healthy if the market comes down to this area here. From here, you want to create a higher high. Now, in case the market wants to go a little bit lower, I also think this whole area is a great area to buy. You want to buy, and you want to, again, low, high, low, high, low, high, right? So you want to see another low around this area and create a higher high. So currently, still very much in a bullish state. And the reason why I brought the line over here is because remember that this level here used to be resistance, and now it should act as support. So again, if I'm looking at this weekly chart, I am expecting the market to come down to this level. Again, just like I said previously when we were over here, I didn't expect the market to come down over here because there was a lot of momentum. It didn't come down here. It came down to around this area here. Let me erase this here. As you can see, the market came down to 1382, and it never touched this resistance turn support, right? So from here, I would expect the market to come down somewhere around this level here, find some support, and again, create that new high. So if I'm looking at the daily chart now, the daily chart looks a little bearish, right? Not really, because technically speaking, unless we fall below this area here, we're not necessarily bearish. But again, I do want to give this market some time to breathe, and I want to see this market come down over here, find support, establish a new level of support, and continue to go higher to the $1,600 level. All right, let's look at the silver market. All right, the silver market, let's clean this up a bit. We're going to go to the monthly chart so we can see that the monthly chart, let's do this. Let's draw this line here. So it looks like silver is most likely going to find some support over here. Although we have a really nasty, ugly red candle here, it's very common for the market to move up and then come back down, find some support, and then continue to go higher. So that's what I'm expecting on silver. Again, you want to give this thing enough breathing room. We can see here, right, that this is an important level here around the $16 range, maybe the 16.20, 16 and a quarter, 16 even. We can see here that there's a lot of support in this area here. We have this trend line that used to be resistance, and now it's going to act as support. And we have this line here that used to be resistance, is now going to act as support. And I think anywhere around this level here, you should be good to buy. And again, wait for the next move. Although we still got to surpass 21 for this thing to really be bullish like gold. Gold has really taken out all those important levels that we can now confidently say that it is bullish. Although silver hesitated when gold broke out, silver hesitated. Eventually, silver made the move. So it's only natural that we expect silver to break this big level here. Just like gold broke that 1360 level, silver should eventually break this level and continue to go higher, giving us more of a confirmation of this bull market. If I'm looking at the Dow Jones here, I like shorting the Dow Jones. As a matter of fact, when the Dow Jones came back over here, right roughly around here on 27,081, I put in my order. I got plenty of room. I rather short at a multi-year high, actually at an all-time high, than to go long. So I think anybody going long is probably trying to get a little bit greedy. I'm short here, and I got a stop loss, very conservative, at around 27,800 or 900, something like that. And again, I'm risking about 800-900 points, but I'm looking to go from 27,000 all the way down to the $20,000, $21,000, $22,000 range, 22,000 point range, simply because, again, if I'm looking at this weekly or monthly, we have a nasty broadening formations. If you guys have been following me, you know that I like broadening formations, and this is an ugly one. And yeah, I think this market is going to continue to go down further. Again, it's just having a very hard time going above this level here, going above this 27,000. We finally broke above this level here, right? And we had a nice close above it. And since then, we've come down. We made another attempt. And now we're trying to either go higher, or the break is going to fail and it's going to lead to a big move and a fast move to the downside. And that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys next time.